Long time ago, caveman want cave, but cave big, cost many coin. Caveman no have coin. Caveman sad. Then clever coin man say, no worry. Me give you cave now. You give coin later, but you give more coin back. Mortgage mean coin debt for cave. Bank tribe own cave until coin all paid. So really, bank live in cave with you, invisible roommate. How work? First, caveman bring tiny coin pile. Ha ha ha. That called down payment. Bank tribe say, good. Now you serious. Not run away fast. Rest coin bank lend. But bank not nice, uncle. Bank say, every moon, give me coin with extra flavor, called interest. Interest mean thank you coin for borrowing. If cave price 100 rock, you maybe pay 200 rock after many winters. Bank write paper promise. Paper say, if caveman not pay, bank take cave back. Bank no care you family sleep in rain. So caveman work hard. Every moon, coin fly from caveman pocket to bank pocket. Bank smile, caveman cry. But one day, 30 winters later, caveman old, back hurt, beard white. Finally, no more coin to pay. Bank tribe say, congrats. Cave yours now, caveman cheer. Then realized knees too weak to climb cave stairs. Lesson. Mortgage help caveman get cave sooner. But also, chain caveman to bank many moons. So before you sign rock paper, ask, do me own cave, or cave own me?